Picture this. You walk into your home after a long day, hoping to relax. But instead, you're greeted by piles of clothes, overflowing shelves, and countertops you can barely see. That sinking feeling? It's not just about the mess, it's about your peace of mind. But what if I told you there are 5 simple decluttering hacks that can instantly transform your space and your mood? Stick with me, because once you hear them, you'll wish someone had told you sooner. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss life-changing tips like these. Why clutter steals your peace? Clutter is more than just stuff lying around. Psychologists say it can trigger anxiety, stress, and even reduce productivity. Think about it. How many times have you wasted minutes searching for your keys, your favorite shirt, or even an important document? It's exhausting. But here's the good news. With the right habits, you don't just clean your home, you reclaim your mind. And these hacks I'm about to share? They aren't about working harder. They're about working smarter. Hack number 1. The 10-minute declutter rule. We all tell ourselves, I don't have time to declutter. But what if I told you all it takes is 10 minutes a day? Set a timer, pick one area, like your bedside table, your kitchen counter, or even just your bag, and focus only there. The short burst of action feels doable, almost like a game. And over time, these tiny wins add up to massive change. You'll be surprised at how much you can clear in such a short time. Imagine walking into a kitchen where every surface shines because of those 10 minutes you dedicated daily. Hack number 2. The one in, one out rule. Here's a life-changing habit. Every time something new enters your home, one old item must leave. Bought a new shirt? Donate one you haven't worn in a year. Got a new mug? Pass on an old chipped one. This simple rule keeps clutter from building in the first place. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about balance. Because when your possessions stay in check, so does your mind. And soon, you'll realize your home feels lighter, without you even trying too hard. Hack number 3. Declutter by categories, not rooms. Most people try to declutter room by room. But here's the problem. You end up shuffling items around without real progress. Instead, declutter by category. Start with clothes, then move to books, then kitchenware, then sentimental items. When you see the full volume of each category, you become more decisive. Do you really need 5 spatulas? Or 10 pairs of nearly identical jeans? Categorizing forces clarity. And once you do it, every corner of your home begins to breathe again. Hack number 4. The box method for emotional items. We all have things we hold on to just in case. Old birthday cards, random gadgets, clothes we might fit into someday. Here's where the box method works wonders. Put those uncertain items into a box, seal it, and write today's date on top. This method gives you permission to hold on temporarily, but also freedom to let go later. It's like a decluttering safety net. Hack number 5. Create a clutter-free zone. This is my personal favorite. Choose one spot in your home, a coffee table, your desk, or even just your entryway, and commit to keeping it 100% clutter-free. Every single day. Why? Because when you see one perfectly clear space, it gives you motivation and peace of mind, even if the rest of the house isn't perfect yet. Over time, that one space inspires the rest of your home to follow. A home that feels like peace. At the end of the day, decluttering isn't about having a picture-perfect home. It's about creating a space where you feel calm, focused, and alive. With just 5 simple hacks, the 10-minute rule, one in, one out, category decluttering, the box method, and your clutter-free zone, you can completely transform not only your home, but also your mental well-being. So the question is, which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more life-changing tips. Don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Because remember, decluttering your home is really about decluttering your life. And the sooner you start, the sooner peace finds its way back to you.